Let's take one more example for the pumping lemma theorem. Suppose we have a language L where it is written it's equal to a to the power p such that p is a prime number. So that means the language contains all the strings of a only which contain, whose length is basically a prime number. And we have to prove that somehow that this language is not regular. So we will start with some uh, example. Say we have a okay, whose length is basically n, okay, and not n actually, I must say. um, the length of, okay, we can take length of a is n. Okay. So we have a string x is equal to a number of a's, and this length is a prime number, suppose. Now see, among this all a, we have to take some part reserved for the v part. Suppose the length of v part is equal to m. Okay, so that means a to the power m is the v part. Now ultimately we have to prove with respect to u v to the power iw. So if we try to realize the length of u v to the power iw will be what, this length we can rewrite in addition of two terms. One is length of original string uvw plus the added part of v that I have done over here. That is, added part is I minus 1 times it has been added, v to the power I minus 1. Why I minus 1 I have written? Because we are considering that string is equal to uvw. Fine, the string is uvw. That means some part is for u, some part is for v, and some part is w. Now if e to the power iw means what? That v part has been repeated I times, and I want to find the length of this. So length of this u v to the power iw can be written as the length of the original string, that is uvw, plus some the extra part that has been actually added after the first v. Obviously I minus 1 times, because then only I can relate this equation. So this one I can say it's, say, n. Okay, plus this I minus 1 times v, it I can also write the length of only one v into I minus 1. And what we have considered, length of v is m. That means I have considered v as a to the power m, right? However, so length of v is basically m. Now see, I can write n plus m into I minus 1. Now, suppose if we consider the I, that value we are considering over here is basically n plus 1. That means the length of the string that we have. Don't mix up this n with the n presented over here. This one. This one. So if we have a confusion about these two n, let's write another value, another number, say p. Suppose p. Okay. Because yes, we consider n for the equation. So let's take the this one is p, means the length of UVW is equal to p, as simple as that. The length of the string is p, and in this length some part is for a, some part is for u, some part is for v, and some part is for w. And we have seen something like this, situation is something like this. Now what is the exact value of p, I don't need to know, but if I take the value of I which is just exact greater than this p, 1 greater than this p, then I can rewrite this equation as I minus 1 is equal to p. So this one, in that case, we can write the length of uv to the power iw will be something like p plus n into p, which is basically, also I can write p into, I can take p common, that m plus 1. So that means if, so here we can take a conclusion that if I is greater, I is equal to p plus 1, so we can take a conclusion over here that if I is equal to p plus 1, then we can uh, say that u v to the power iw, the length of this u v to the power iw, the length of u v to the power iw is p into m plus 1, assuming m, sorry, that length of v part is equal to m, and p dot m plus 1 is not a prime number. Naturally, it's a multiplication of two things, and multiplication of two things cannot be a prime number. So that means u v to the power iw length is not prime. That means the length u v to the power iw is not prime. So if the length is not prime, then, I mean, if I write over here, then I can easily say that u v to the, I'm sorry, not length, then I can easily say that u v to the power iw is not in the language, because if it is in the language the length has to be prime. That means L is not regular. Okay, proved. So in this way you can prove a language a to the power p where p is a prime number is not a regular.